What's up everybody, Ricky Carmichael here, super excited to show you guys the all new RC limited edition MotoBox coming in a 3-drawer and the 5-drawer, super organized, EVA foam, lifetime warranty, I love that. The 5-drawer is unbelievable. This is the big dog of the garage for sure, coming in 103 pieces. You have 3 extra drawers for extra parts and pieces. Cool thing about the MotoBox is I do sign every single one of them. 3-drawer MotoBox. Love the new colorway, super organized, convenient, especially if you're going out to ride. This thing is very, very easy to load up into your truck, and it has everything that you need for all brands, no matter what brand motorcycle that you ride. I wish I would have had the RC limited edition 5-drawer or 3-drawer MotoBox set when I was racing. It has everything that you need, super plush, organized. I love how it turned out, and hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I do.